What's up, everybody? It's Prelude dude coming back with a new episode. Gonna be doing a radiator swap. I went with Yonaka coilovers, so I figured I'd give them a shot and go with a Yonaka radiator. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Alright, first place you're gonna want to start is underneath the car, obviously. You got a drain plug that is right there in the dew center of the car. I'm loosening that. I bought this nice cool container. If you get one, make sure you flush it out with water first, because there's plastic particles in there where they drill all the holes and stuff. And I made a mistake, and some went in my radiator yesterday. Luckily, I fished it out with a screwdriver. Want to get the drain in this coolant. Alright, after you get your valve open and you're draining it, there's a connector up there for your fan. You're going to want to disconnect that. Then you can jump up here while it's draining, disconnect your hose. Get your AC bracket, support bracket out of the way. Disconnect this fan. And still draining a little bit. I'm going to take these mounts off there and there. And it should slip right out. I got it all loose. Should pop right out. There it is, old one's out. Now that one should slip right in. Alright, one thing I will recommend, you're going to have to change out this harness. Don't be afraid. It's easy. I'll show you how I'm going to do it. Because this is what they give you. Blue wire, I'm going to put in port A. Black is in B. That's how it's wired on the car. I'm going to have to do the other end on the car as well. Alright guys, it's in. It's pretty solid. That's it for this video. The Yonaka radiator will work in a Prelude. You usually got to do a little customizing, and it's really tight fit. Stay tuned for more info and updates. And like, share, subscribe. And I got more videos coming. As you guys see in my other video, I got another H22A and F20B trans. F20B trans will be getting put in this hopefully soon.